found a seagull feather. And seagulls represent the idea of unrestrained emotion and the connection of air and the sky to the ocean, or water, really. And you can see this very easily when you're at the beach because there's that horizon line where they connect. And so seagulls represent this idea. In a lot of Native American mythology, the seagull contests heavily with one of the main totems in Native American mythology, the raven. And so these two birds have a tendency to contest with each other. Raven represents a lot of the elements of earth and of fire, and so he represents creation, and he's kind of the hero among the bird realm, and that's why he's a very important totem animal for Native Americans. And so the gull represents this idea of water and of air, so he does represent the connection between the divine and people, but he represents that in a different way, kind of like the raven represents Odin, which actually Odin has a couple of ravens as his little spirit creatures, and gulls would be more like Loki. So they do have that idea of being very similar, but at the same time being a positive and like a lighter and a darker version of each other, which is kind of ironic because raven is like a black color and he represents the positive aspects, whereas gull is a lighter color and he represents kind of the more shadow aspects. So that's kind of cool.